These are two ceramic sublimation blanks. We have the glossy kind and we have the matte kind. And today we're going to compare the two. So in the package, they both come with this gold string. It doesn't come already tied. You would need to tie it on once you finish sublimating your ornament. But both the glossy ceramic and the matte ceramic come with the gold string. Now the shiny one, the glossy one, is a little bit smaller, as you can tell. It's a little bit smaller than the matte version. Yeah, you can see that reflection there. And here's a look at the thickness. And I'll pull them up together so you can kind of see. They're about the same thickness, I would say. So not too much difference there. The main difference is the coating and the size. Now, with the glossy ceramic sublimation ornament, you can sublimate on either side. Either side would work. But with the matte kind, you can only sublimate on the coated side. If I were to sublimate on this, it would not take. It would be like a really faded blur. And that's how you know you sublimated on the wrong side. Now, so that you don't waste your blanks, the way to tell which side has the coating on it is if you look at the corner, the edge of the blank, the side with the coating will have a smooth ridge, and the side without the coating will have a sharp ridge. That's how you basically tell the difference, and that way you won't waste your blanks. Now, in terms of sublimation quality, in my opinion, the matte gives a better print. You don't waste as many blanks with your time and temp. I use 385 and 125 seconds for the matte, and it always comes out the same. There's always a really crisp, nice print on it. Let's see if you can. The light is really bright. Sorry about that. There we go. You always get a really crisp print when you do the matte. With the glossy ones, I have to be honest, sometimes it comes out nicely and sometimes it doesn't. You see how this is crisp up here, but down here it starts to get a little blurry. You're going to have to deal with that if you get the glossy kind. It kind of depends on what your preference is, because this does tend to have a nicer keepsake value in terms of gift giving. It just feels a little bit more solid. It has more heft, and this one will break easier. So it kind of depends on what you're going for and what means the most to you. I hope that has been helpful in you making your decision, and happy crafting.